Next exercise I learned from a Japanese teacher. And it is so good, I started incorporating it into the stuff that I do because it works so well. It's called catch, playing catch. And what you do in this exercise is you have the client play catch. And again, I'm going to ask for a volunteer, and I'll just take them through it to show you something of what can happen. So, volunteer, quick, okay?
Chair?
Yep, bring a chair up. Okay. All right, good. So, can you think of anything which is not in harmony in your life? It could be with a person or with anything.
Yes. Can I tell you what it is?
No, you don't have to tell me what it is. See, that's beauty of this too.
It is the beauty of this.
Okay. Go inside to some place of your choosing. It could be your garden, it could be a field, it could be some place where you can play a game of catch. Is this a person? This?
Yes.
Okay, good. Then start playing catch with this person. Just spontaneously, whatever comes up to play catch with, do it. And go ahead and play catch back and forth. Now tell me, I might let this go longer in a real session, but tell me now how the catch is going.
I'm doing very well.
And what's happening with the other?
She's not catching the ball very well.
She's not playing?
She's trying.
Oh, she's trying.
She's trying, but she's not an athletic type person.
Okay. Now in your mind, in your imagination, you can go over her and give her symbolically some of your skill. You can give that like a nice warm fuzzy. You can give it with a magic potion. You can tap her with a magic wand. However you do it, give her the skill. Okay?
Yes.
Now play catch again. Now how's it going?
Really good.
Okay.
Yeah, really good.
And how is she?
Much better than I am. She's pretty good. No, not much better, but she's good.
Okay, right for now, come on out. Take a deep breath. What you've just done is change your relationship with her. Just being able to imagine her differently is changing how you think about her. That is going to start producing changes in the relationship just because it's going to change your behavior. Okay? It's that simple. So there's all kinds of creative things that you can do. It's hard for me to tell you exactly what to do with everything because people are going to come up with stuff you wouldn't have dreamed of. Okay? But if you remember the basic thing, this is an opportunity to learn something about the relationship. Who's dominant, let's say, and who's not, whether there is love or not love, or what's going on, because you can read that symbolically, and then to do something about it, which is changing by how you play catch, what you play catch with, whatever it is. Sometimes it takes a real degree of attention and intention to make the thing go the way you want it to go. That's okay. These are images in your mind, and sometimes the coup will respond to a strong input of training. But remember the benefit. If you might want to stop, pause, have coup talk, say, okay, coup, this is why we're doing this. This is what's in it for you. Then when you go back, you'll find it easier. Okay, so that's catch.